Hey, it's Chris.
All right, if you're looking for a new keyboard for your Mac setup and you want to give a mechanical keyboard a try, it's worth checking out this Kono 67-degree keyboard. So this is a 65% compact keyboard, which means it has no row of function keys, no numpad, but it comes fully assembled and you can hot swap the switches and also change out the keycaps, of course. So super customizable. And obviously they forgot to send me the Mac command key here, so it's still rocking the Windows key, but you can switch that out. All right, but it comes in black and white and it's got RGB lighting, including this cool vent looking area on the back of the keyboard, which I've never seen anything like that before. And if you use the software that comes with it, you can actually customize the lighting on a per key basis. One thing I really like is this dedicated volume knob here. That's legitimately just fun and cool to use. And it's also just different. You don't see that on a lot of Mac-based setups. Now, importantly, you can wirelessly pair this with multiple devices. So if you want to use it for your Mac, but then later you want to use it with your iPad, you can do that. Now, if there was one thing I could change about this, it would probably be that I can't adjust the height or the typing angle, right? It just kind of has these built-in feet on the bottom and you get what you get there. And I'm actually just noticing this would go really well with your mood side lights. Those are like the RGB lighting of your office. So if you like RGB stuff, it's an obvious match. But I can also just tell this thing is just made really well. Super solid construction. So people either tend to love or hate typing on a mechanical keyboard, and that's gonna be the case here too. Personally, I honestly can't say I like typing on it better than I like typing on my Logitech MX keys, but there is something super satisfying about typing on mechanical switches. All right, so if you're looking for a compact mechanical keyboard and you like the looks and the features, this thing's a great option at 90 bucks.
Hey, thanks for stopping by. This was actually just a clip, but I'm gonna link up the full content down in the description, along with a link to our main channel and the Daily Tech podcast. If you're into Apple stuff, if you just wanna hang out, that will improve your week, guaranteed. Comes out on Fridays. Also, I'm gonna link up Jasper.ai. It's my favorite artificial intelligence writing assistant. I rely on it all the time. It's gonna blow your mind with how much time it'll save you. I really think it'll make your life better. Last but not least, if you like the vibe of this video and you wanna bring a big smile to my face, then why not hit that subscribe button?